before this year. 1,200 kids age of 12 being trafficked. Unbelievable. So the cooperation and coordination of all law enforcement really makes a difference. We have Judge Stratton here today, Supreme Court judge. She's leaving because she's got bigger passions than sitting on that court anymore. She's done a fantastic job. She's involved in different alternative kinds of courts. She's on the task force that Mike created. And, you know, part of what we have to do is we have to work with prosecutors. And we have to let them know the impact. I mean, you all know this. We have to let them know the impact of their decisions. And sometimes it's hard for a prosecutor to do an alternative kind of sentencing, but it's important it get done because it makes your job harder. What's my view on this? I think that if you go into the courthouse and you meet with the judges in your county, and you take the BCI, and you take the troopers, and you take the local law enforcement, and you take the sheriff, and you sit down with judges and say, listen, we have to work closely together so that the sentencing makes sense, so that we don't knee-jerk, and that we can get this done right. Because if we don't coordinate everything, it creates huge problems for us. And I believe the judges will be very responsive. Am I right, Judge Stratton? I mean, but we have to all work together. And Judge Stratton would be a great person to be part of your strike team when you go in there to meet with the judicial folks. I don't have much more to say than that. I just wish you the best. Our doors are open. You have solutions or you have big problems, you come see us. And I'd really encourage you to get to know Tracy a little bit and Gary before you leave. And we're all in this together. I think we're winning. You know, we're up 122,000 jobs. People are in a better mood. Ohio's getting healthier, and that all bodes well for us, doesn't it, when it comes to the issue of crime? Together, we'll be successful. So, Mike, thanks for the conference, and thanks for letting me have a word. God bless you.